Okay.
Ilang years na kami?
Ilang years na kami?
16 years.
Sigurado ka?
Oh, magsi-16 na sa Jazzy eh.
Hindi, 16 years. Yes, 16 years na kami. And ang secret, ang secret ko is we always laugh together.
Yes.
Palaging maganda kasi na masaya kayo and maski yung mga small details pinagtatawanan nyo and mas nabibuild yung love each time na you laugh with each other. Yan, ikaw.
Sa akin, makinig sa bawat isa. Yan. Hindi lang yung ikaw lang nagsasalita, bigyan mo siya ng chance na magsalita, tapos bigyan mo rin chance na makinig. Ganon din sa akin. Magsasalita ako and then makikinig din sa kanya.
Yes, and that's how we make it.
Yay!
So yun, ako po si Jeff, siya si Faith. We've been married since
2012?
2012, pareho kaming and sikreto sa marriage, kahit na anong pinag-aawayan nyo, huwag kayo matutulog nang hindi na re-resolve yung hindi nyo napagkasunduan. Huwag nyo hayaang matulog kayo at magising ng may alitan pa rin kayo. Pag-usapan nyo kung ano yung differences yan.
Yes. And dapat kung mainit ang ulo ng isa, hindi sasabay yung isa. So isa lang dapat ang one at a time. And the other person should be the calm one. Kasi hindi pwedeng kayong pareho na nagpapanik or mainit ang ulo.
Yan. Okay, thank you. Okay na.
We've been married for
9 years.
9 years.
9 years na kami nag-aaway.
For me, we choose each other at the end of the day kahit na may, alam mo yun, may pinag-aawayan or ano ba? Tampuhan. At the end of the day, pinipili pa rin namin yung isa't isa. Di ba? Kasi I think yun yung mas importante. Kahit anong mangyari sa inyo, 'di ba? You choose each other and choose to forgive. Okay. Ayun.
Para sa akin, you should know what you signed up for. Kasi yun din naman yung reason kung bakit mo nagustuhan yung isang tao. And you have to accept that. And kahit anong mangyari and kahit sino man yung mga nakasalubungan nyo everyday hanggang sa pagtandaan nyo, kayo pa rin yung magkasama. So, continue mo lang kainin yung linuto niya kahit di masarap.
Oy, bakit? Di ba masarap luto ko?
Tapos ano pa ba? Galingan mo lang lagi. Mga asawa. Hindi, joke lang. Thank you.
Hello po. Been together for 25 years now. Carlo and Carol po. Ang secret po ng pagsasamahan, bigayan po. And yun, give and take. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Yung sekreto lang din, tulad ng sabi niya, give and take lang. Kung nagagalit siya, wag mo lang siyang sabayan. Para hindi kayo mag-away. Yung paano kami nagtagal, siguro yung lagi kami nag-uunawaan na sa isa't isa. Kaya ganun kami sa 25 years, inabot namin ng 25 years.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shine and this is my husband Philip. And we've been together for almost 8 years now. And with that, I think what we can share about our relationship is that there has to be communication between us.
And siguro trust. Ang importante naman sa atin is trust sa mga couples.
Good evening, my co-couples. I'm so blessed tonight to be a part of this celebration. We have been married around 35 years, going to 36 this December. Praise God because through thick and thin, still intact pa rin yung marriage namin. Ang sekreto po namin is nilalagay namin si Lord sa sentro ng relationship namin. Though there are so many struggles, challenges, problems in our lives, we have overcome because of our children and most especially for the sake of the gospel. Dahil sinabi nga ng Panginoon sa Matthew 19:6, whatever God has joined together, let no man separate. So, yun lang po, away bati. Pero sabi nga ng Panginoon, di ba? Love your enemy. Pero hindi ko naman enemy ang aking husband dahil ang tawagan namin, heart. There are times naging sweetheart, sometimes bitter dead. So, heart na lang yung tawagan namin. Ayun lang po. Thank you and God bless.
47 na ata.
Oh, 47 na.
47 na.
secret ang may share?
Ang secret namin dalawa, yung lagi akong naglalasing, mabait naman siya, kaya yan. Nagtagal na kami dalawa.
Ay, Nay.
Kasi noon, hindi kami nag-aaway. Pero nung nagtagal, nag-aaway na kami. Pero nung na ano namin na sa isa't isa, nagkaunawaan na din kami. Kaya yun, mula noon, hindi na kami nag-aaway. Ngayon.
We are already 21 years together and we want to share the secret of being able to stay even though there are many obstacles we were able to tackle. That's all.
We are now 24 years. 21 years na marriage na po kami. Ang sekreto sa matagal na magsasama sa marriage is siyempre there's no perfect marriage. Number one is understanding whatever problem or misunderstanding we encountered. So we solved it as soon as possible so that our marriage will stay longer. Yun lang po.
How long we've been together. Nung hindi pa kami na-bless, kung isasali natin hanggang ngayon, we're living 26 years na. Pero yung na-bless kasi kami 2018. So to sum it up, naka 7 years na kami mula nung 2018. And then kaya nagtatagal ang aming pagsasama dahil na rin sa asaran namin. Maraming spices of life namin. Incompatibilities kumbaga. Marami kaming incompatibilities in so many ways. Hindi kami nag-agree sa maraming bagay, pero at the end of the day, nandiyan na napapatch up namin dahil siguro spice na rin yun ng buhay namin. Biruan, doon kami nagkakahulian ng loob. Ikaw rin, Pang.
Yun nga, kaya kami tumagal dahil sa madalas kaming may hindi pagkaunawaan, bangayan. So, yun ang nagbibigay sa amin ng inspirasyon para lalo naming mapatagal ang aming relasyon.
Ibang
Yun ang sikreto.
Hello everyone. We've been together for 9 years, and our secret is we can't tell you because it's a secret. If we told you, then everyone would know. But I think every couple has their own secret, and whatever works for each couple, that's what you have to go with.
Example.
Yes, it's not a one-size-fits-all for every relationship. So you just have to find what works for you and your partner. So good luck to everyone.
God bless. God bless them.
Okay, you have more questions?
Yeah. Secret is you put God first at the center of your marriage because He's the one that really upholds your marriage.
Okay, ilang years na ba tayo? 34 years.
34 years.
At bakit nga ba tayo nagtatagal?
Kasi
Patience.
patience at we agree to disagree. At pareho kaming nag-enjoy na doing
May hobby.
walking and eating and traveling.
Ano po pa?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello guys.
So, we've been together for 13 years now. And siguro ang secret. Ano ba ang secret natin?
Hindi, secret is ilagay nyo si Lord sa center ng relationship. So, para magtagal. And pag magtibay, magtibayin yung relationship.
Yeah, I agree kasi syempre hindi naman perfect lahat. Hindi kami perfect as a couple, pero if you look into God, if you look sa perfection of God, ayun, talagang kakayanin mo lahat. And alam mo, yung promise mo to Him is not just to Him, but to the Lord also.
Yo. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, good afternoon. Kami ni Olive ay 35 years na this coming May 5,
Yes.
2025. So, almost 35 years na nagtitiis sa akin yung asawa ko.
Yes.
And
Anong secret?
Anong secret? Sa tingin ko, yung love and respect pa rin. Kasi kaming mga lalaki talagang yun ang driving need namin, to be respected. And
kami namang mga babae, ang kailangan namin to feel love. Pag naramdaman namin na mahal kami ng lalaki, parang automatic na yun na we will respect them.
yun. So, yun lang ang sikreto mula sa Ephesians 5:33. God bless.
God bless.